Hey, hello everyone. Good morning. It's Keshav here again. So, this is a bright, sunny morning in Hyderabad. Um, I was just walking, and then I thought of kind of just sharing with you. I've started something which I've been following from for the past 8-10 years. There's something called online detox. So, what is online detox? That every after using a WhatsApp for continuously 10 years, 10 months or 12 months, I take a quick break, you know. So I take a break about 3 to 6 months, depends on the situation. That's called the online detox. So during this time, my WhatsApp will be completely, non-functional. I believe it helps me with the two things. The first things, I will not limit myself with just texting. I can make connection by making calls to my friends, and then I can kind of talk more with them, have a discussion with them, not just limited myself with just the what do you call just texting, and then so it helps you to bring back your connection. The second thing, it will help you to focus on the main things, like because a lot of WhatsApp was made. The main purpose of WhatsApp was to kind of have a effective communication, but I don't know, it's my energy levels that I get derailed a lot of time. I get to do the things which is not essential in life, something which is not important in life. So I get to do all those things. So that's why I choose always to have the online detoxation. Like your body need a detox, you also need a detox for the WhatsApp. So that's pretty much, and I hope all my aspirant for interview, this is the right time, guys. The free spirit is down gone. Generally, every company has a September, October, November, December. These are the 3 to 4 months where there is a lot of free period. People will not take interviews. They will kind of sit, relax, because they have already fulfilled their requirement and everything is done and dusted. So it is an opportunity that now the freeze period is over. So you should probably start looking out for the new jobs, new openings wherever you want. So I would say this is the time you should start giving your level best in order to get the this is I think drumstick. I love the drumstick, but I cannot pluck it here. But I don't wanna, that's what I'm saying. I get to one topic to other, so let's continue to focus on. So this is in a good time, a golden period from January till April. Every company plan about their budget and everything. So what all companies, what all they are wanted to, whom all they wanted to recruit and other things. So basically, my only advice is give your level best, prepare well, and this is a golden period which you should be leveraging it to the fullest. So do not get deviated. Focus on preparing. So I started my year with two things. One, I started the YouTube channel. The second, I kind of started with the online detox. Let's see how it works. But it has, and I am also started myself as a Psalm, or maybe Christian. So this year I became Christian John, Jacob John, Keshav Jacob John. So this is like the style I'm carrying. My wife doesn't like it, but it's okay. The change is good, right? It also makes me believe that now I'm getting older. So yeah, that's pretty much. तो सबसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि अपना अपना प्लान जैसा ठीक लगे प्लान करें। और ये ईयर है फोकस ऑन द 80-20 रूल्स। देर आर 80% of problem which can be solved by 20% of if you focus on 20% of the things, 80% problem will be solved. So focus on 20% of your issues, and I'm sure you'll be able to through to what you'll get. 2025 is amazing year. I was told by my neighbor yesterday, or my friends yesterday, a lot of friends was yesterday, 2025, 5 to 7 to 9. 9 is the number of Lord Hanuman, भगवान बजरंग बली का दिन है, नंबर है, और आज मंगलवार का दिन है। तो आई एम जस्ट पासिंग दिस मैसेज टू यू, एंड आई पर्सनली बिलीव on Bajrang Bali so much. He's a god of strength. He's a god of power, and may God give you a lot of power. भगवान आपको बहुत सारा ताकत दे, और I wish that everybody achieve what you wanted to achieve in your life. Wishing you all the best, और thank you so much for all your love, support. Next video I'm coming up with the direct course as a scrum master, as a IT guy or a non IT guy. कौन सी चीज़ों पे फोकस करो। आप अभी तक आप लोगों ने अपना गोल तो बना ही लिया होगा, तो दैट्स ऑल, जस्ट फोकस ऑन ड्रिलिंग इट डाउन। थैंक यू सो मच।